Man, it is cool out there. I live in North Carolina. Our cold standards is anything below 40 degrees. And right now it's below 30 degrees out there. But what we do to get these videos out for you guys and gals. That's right, I was just outside taking a video of the Color Crush 2 weeks later. So what does it look like? Is it still holding up? I am so glad you asked. So let me get this off and we'll get to it. Alright, always got to protect our equipment, right? Put the lens cap back on it so we don't get dust and dirt and everything on it. But any of you that don't know, I was sent a product from Lithium Audio Care to try out, to test for them and everything. It's called Color Crush. It's a detail spray. And I have been truly amazed for what it is. Like I said, it's not a ceramic coating, if you will, but it does have ceramic properties in it. Matter of fact, it has SiO2 in it, which is ceramic, or a ceramic property. And I've been truly amazed because you can use it when you dry your car. Just spritz your drying towel, go over the car, and it's using the water to mix and spread evenly over the car. And it doesn't streak, it dries super quick, it flashes super quick. And I have just been thoroughly tickled with this product. So let's get in there, I'll show you what it looks like. As you can see, it's holding up really well. This has been 2 weeks since I put this product on, and it's just as water repellent as it was the day that I first put it on. I am so pleased with this product. Is it any good? In my opinion, for just a detail spray, as I've been told by so many people, it's just a detail spray. BS. This stuff works really good. I am thoroughly pleased with it.